Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Rahul. I'm a growth marketer from New Zealand and I talk about everything to do with paid ads and e-commerce. So in this video, I'm going to be walking through the top 8 creatives that I see working across all our accounts at Reach Digital. Now these creatives have a large amount of spend behind them, and it's something we like to introduce into new client accounts as well. If you do like this type of content or you like this video in particular, please go ahead and share it with your friend and comment below if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see next. With that being said, let's get straight into it. The first type of creative we see performing well is actually the founder style creative. This creative includes the founder talking about the story or the reason why they actually started the brand. The reason why I think this type of creative works is I think that customers like to see the journey behind the brand and like to be part of it as well. When you try and connect with customers and tell the real reason why you start the brand, it gives them some type of unity and they love to follow the journey. That's why we see a lot of brands on TikTok perform really well, because it's led by the founder. The founders create all the creative and customers love to see the behind the scenes behind the brand. The second type of creative I'll talk about is something I just randomly thought of, and I also got a bit of inspiration from a brand I saw. This type of creative is more of an IG style creative. It's showing a conversation between two friends. One is almost reacting to a story and the other is showing their skincare routine behind what they posted. It's simple, it doesn't guarantee success for all brands, but it's worked for a few of our brands that we're currently running it for. The real reason I think it might be successful is it seems quite casual and it's an organic conversation between two actual friends that we just edited and added some animation on. Third one is something a lot of people are currently using and have seen on their feed. It is a TikTok response ad. Sorts of brands, it's really organic when you look at it from the TikTok perspective, and it also helps answer any questions a user has. The brand an opportunity to showcase the product or the problem they are solving, as well as make the creative look organic on the feed. This type of strategy is very scalable. You can have a content creator record almost a response to that creative, and you can go ahead and change the text on the comment box to whatever you'd like it to be. My opinion on this would be to make sure you're not overdoing the question. Look at your Facebook ad comments, your TikTok ad comments, find questions people are genuinely asking, or even reply to those as part of your ad. Now the fourth one is actually the use of voiceovers, something that's actually very underrated, but I strongly recommend it to a lot of brands. Voiceover can be both of the founder or a content creator that has a soothing voice. What we've found that works well for us is using top clips across multiple different videos that creators have created and just play the voiceover in the background. So I'd basically call this creative almost a documentary style creative, where you're just having the voiceover play in the background and you're having top clips from every video. Number 5 has to be the easiest one out of them all. All it includes is a press screenshot of your product or brand. Reasons this could work is people like to see some social proof in the aspect of you being associated with a bigger publication. This type of creative doesn't have to be heavily edited. All you're doing is taking a screenshot of the feature you've gotten from the brand and running that as an ad. This type of strategy is a bit more difficult to scale solely because you're kind of dependent on the type of articles that's been written on you and also the features you've been given by the publication. If you are looking to run this type of creative, I would double check with the PR article that was written, whoever wrote it, Forbes, strategist, double check with them and see if it's okay to run ads based on the screenshot and through some random issues with the publication. So double check that before you run it and it should be good to go. Number 6 is a personal favorite. It's a green screen recording of using your product or navigating to the website. Now again, this is very simple to record. You get a content creator to just use a phone and get it in selfie mode, and you can use the TikTok native recording app and actually record the green screen footage through there, or you can actually do it post-edit. What you want to showcase is actually how to navigate your website if it is difficult, or actually the key features behind the products mentioning on your product page. An effective type of green screen we have seen work is actually not going through the whole website but showing aspects of the website. So you can make a combination of showing maybe a before and after photo of you with you talking about it as a green screen, and then navigating onto the website showing how to go through your transaction. Number 7 is a UGC testimonial. How these type of creative usually work is you talk about the problem straight out the gate, really elaborate on that problem. Talked about the problem, introduce your product as the solution to this problem everyone's having, describe how to use it and when to use it inside someone's routine, and then you want to close off by showing the benefits and how it's improved that person's life. And the last creative is something that's again quite simple to make, is statics. So the type of statics we see working are either in the form of a text overlay or a product benefit. The benefit call out creative is quite simple. All you have is a product photo, and on right and left hand sides you have the key features behind your product. Overlay concept is also quite similar. You can have a product image or some type of studio shot that's actually quite aesthetic, and from there you can have a text overlay, ideally off some angles you've used in your video ads. So that's a wrap for this week. I know it was a very quick video, but I thought I'd provide as much value as I could in the limited amount of time I had. Get more longer form videos if needed, but I want to try to keep most of my content quite short form and valuable and straight to the point. Again, if you enjoyed this type of content, I appreciate it if you could share it with a friend or a marketer that would benefit from it. If you have any questions or any videos you'd like to see from me personally, comment below and I'll make sure to check it out. For now, I'll see you guys next time.